They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. So today we are going to watch something new. I got it as a recommendation from very dear viewer that advises me a lot, and I want to thank you, Bernard, in this video. This is something new. I'm not familiar. This is a Russian performer. Her name is Diana Ankudinova, and the name of the song is Ты супер, which means you are awesome or you are great. As always, guys, if you like this kind of content, you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and join my journey. I do videos literally every single day. And now, let's get started.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Wow. The sound that she produces.
Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга,
Wow. It was very unique, very different. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. So first of all, she's awesome. Her singing is very beautiful. The judges obviously thought the same way. You know, as Dimash can go high to sound like like woman, this girl can hit the lower tones incredibly. I never heard such a voice. I don't know, it's a combination of intense, deep and low voice. That doesn't say that she can't sing in her regular voice. I didn't hear her speak. I don't know what is the natural voice, but in moments there she showed very well that she can sing in a high range and go higher and sound great there as well. So it is very different, very unique and very good. Very good performance. It will be very interesting to see her in different songs and see her vocal repertoire and her performance ability because another element that I saw, that she has a little bit unique pronunciation. Of course, she is Russian, so you know, she speaks the language very well, but you can see sometimes that performers know to pronounce, I don't know, to bend, you know, the words a little bit and pronounce it very clearly, and present it to you in a very specific way. And this is what I heard in Russian, of course, and this was also very nice. Thank you guys for watching this video with me. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.